You can be extremely idiomatic while organizing your ideas clearly in the workplace. Do you want to know how? Here are 26 phrases to use in the workplace. Not 30, just because. Welcome to Fluent For Real. If your career depends on excellent English, you're in the right place. Here you will take your English from intermediate to advanced, focusing on the game changers, on what really makes a difference for your professional life. Come unlock your dreams. If you're on YouTube, speed up the video because your brain can process words faster than you think. This makes you concentrate more, and also it saves you a lot of time. All of the phrases that we're gonna work with in this video range from neutral to more formal language. So all of them are workplace approved. Sharing or asking for information. I was told to be here at 8. I was told not to forward the information. I was told that we would receive the goods by today. I am glad to share that our revenue has gone up by 5%. Yay! Are you aware of the situation? Are you aware that the system is down? Are you aware of the fact that they have gone bankrupt? A little side note. To go bankrupt means to go without enough money to pay what you owe. When a company closes down and can't pay the money that they owe, like Masbla, for example. Do you remember Masbla? Am I too old? Masbla went bankrupt back in the 90s. I've been traveling for 3 days. Would you mind filling me in on what's going on? We will keep you posted. Recap. To mention information that the listener probably already knows or may already know. As you are aware, our budget has been approved. As you may have heard, the market is going through tough changes right now. As we all know, dear Professor Jones is retiring next month to summarize or review information that has been mentioned or that will be presented. To recap what we have discussed so far, the client will probably need some assistance with any problems that may arise, so we need to be ready for it. In a nutshell, I'm going to show you what has been a game changer for us this year. Please keep in mind that the upcoming results may differ from the current ones. Please bear in mind that you will be immersed in another culture. Contrasting ideas. I don't know what to do. On the one hand, the stock market can be more profitable in the long run. On the other hand, real estate is a much safer investment. On the one hand, working from home can be less stressful. On the other hand, do most people know how to organize their schedule and be as productive? Drawing attention to something or simply mentioning a subject. Stop saying, "about our last meeting," and start using these. With regards to our last meeting, I have reviewed what you asked me to. When it comes to career changes, Shelly is the one to talk to. As far as our customer service goes, things are not looking well. Now a little bit more focused on drawing attention. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you who took part in this project for your dedication. Thank you. I would like to point out that there is a discrepancy in the data. Expressing certainty. I am confident that our product will be a hit. There's no doubt that the competition is tough. I am positive that we will come out of this even stronger. It goes without saying that our time is limited. Reaching a conclusion. In closing, I would like to thank you all for delivering on such short notice. All this to say that we need to be more aware of the client's perspective, adding information in addition to plus ing or in addition to plus noun. Check out the examples. In addition to having to deal with an economic crisis, we also need to worry about public health. In addition to the economic crisis, we also need to worry about public health. Not only did I miss the deadline, but also messed up the shipping. So yes, you can be extremely idiomatic when organizing your ideas, introducing new topics, adding, contrasting, concluding, reviewing, bringing back a topic. Include these expressions in your everyday life. Start by including 5. Pick your 5 favorite expressions from this video and start using them. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend. If you need to unlock your career and the only thing in your way is your English, follow us at Fluent For Real to take your English from intermediate to advanced. See you guys in the next video.